Hopefully, your first order production goes well and finishes as scheduled. Upon finishing the production, the supplier will inform you at once and request for final payment. They will not delay in sending this message as they want the products to be shipped as soon as possible instead of storing it in their warehouse. If you have a bulk production order, you cannot rush to pay the balance. The best practice is to have the production order checked and inspected. And having a third-party quality control service is always recommended, but that's not always affordable. In this video, we will discuss all about how you can manage the quality control after production. You can have a lot of trouble saved to have the products checked before shipping. So who will carry out the inspection? You can make it yourself, or you can check the report from the factory sales, or use the buying agent service, or even entrust a professional quality control agency. Ideally, you could check all the products piece by yourself before paying the final balance. However, that's not always possible in the practice. You're the only one who knows exactly what you want, but it's costly to travel to China only for the quality control, especially when you're having an initial test order, and you may not know how to do the quality control in a professional way. If you know that the product is very common and you trust your instinct in choosing the quality supplier, you can entrust the quality control report from the factory. Working with the sales and asking as many pictures and videos from them as you can to ensure everything. And if you're using a buying agent in sourcing the product, you can entrust them to do the quality control. Most buying agents have the quality control service included. You can consult them how they are going to check the products and what is their responsibility if something goes wrong. They are able to understand your requirements as they source the products for you. It's great if you have clarified everything about the quality when you're placing the order in a written form. But to be honest, the buying agents are just like you. They can only do simple quality and quantity check for those regular products. They don't have much experience in checking or inspecting products with complexity. At last, if you have a good budget and your product is quite complicated, a third-party inspection company will be the best option. The third-party inspection company will offer you their best service with their experience. You will get a detailed and unbiased report of quality issues, including the total quantity of finished and packed units, the number and types of defective items, and the results of any on-site testing, even the photos of the inspected units, packaging, test result, and any defects or other findings. Make sure the entrusted company can work for your business interest and keep integrity during their inspection. You can choose the third party according to their price and time spending on the program. From our experience, they normally charge a flat cost per inspection staff per day from $130 to $300. There are many third-party inspection companies. Most of them can help not only on the lab testing, but also quality control as well. When you decide to hire a third-party inspector, remember to choose it based on your product. If your products are technology intensive, professionals should be invited to your inspection program. But if your products just need to check its appearance and function, video inspection will be the best option for you. Remember to keep the communication of your product specifications and inspection requirement clear to the inspector. Review the inspection reports carefully and notify the supplier for the corrective actions. And that's all about the quality control after the production. We do hope the tips will be helpful and cost-saving in the process of sourcing from China. And in the next lesson, we will talk about shipping from China.